From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Amina Jenkins. Missouri workers will no longer earn mandated paid sick leave after today, just months after the policy went into effect. As Savannah Holly Bates reports, workers are trying to get the benefit back on the ballot.
Last year, voters passed Proposition A, which raised the minimum wage and allowed employees to earn paid sick days. But lawmakers repealed the sick leave portion. A workers' group has filed to put the benefit back on the ballot as a constitutional amendment, which lawmakers can't overturn. Richard Eicher is a fast food worker and organizer with Stand Up KC, a low-wage workers group. He says lawmakers showed a lack of respect to the will of voters.
We workers aren't going to stop fighting either. We're going to keep trying to get these things that we feel that all workers are entitled to.
The constitutional amendment needs about 170,000 signatures to get on the ballot. I'm Savannah Holly Bates.
And a Missouri bill protecting belief-based student groups is going into effect today. Governor Mike Kehoe signed Senate Bill 160 into law, which provides protections to student organizations such as political and religious groups. The bill also covers a wide variety of other topics concerning education. Tyler Coward is the lead counsel for the Foundation for Individual Rights and Expression. He says the group lobbied for the addition to the bill.
The right to associate with like-minded people is the cornerstone of our democracy.
Coward says similar protections have been put in place in at least 24 other states. More kindergartners in Missouri are showing up at school without all of their recommended vaccinations. Jody Fortino reports.
The Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services reports that 90% of kindergartners were vaccinated last year against measles, mumps, and rubella. That's down from more than 95% in 2017. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says measles can easily cause outbreaks in communities where vaccination rates are below 95%. Kindergartner vaccination rates for diseases like whooping cough, chickenpox, and polio have all steadily declined in Missouri in recent years. The Missouri Independent reports that more families of kindergartners are opting out of vaccinations for non-medical reasons. I'm Jody Fortino.
And an advocacy group standing up for Muslim civil rights has announced they will sue University of Missouri President Moon Choi for violation of free speech rights. Members of the Council on American Islamic Relations announced the suit Wednesday afternoon. Staff attorney Ahmed Kaki says the lawsuit is based on an infringement of free speech.
Dr. Choi did not involve himself in any other application except for MSJPs. Public universities cannot open events for the public for expression like they did with the homecoming parade, then filter which viewpoints they want expressed at these events.
The Mizzou Students for Justice in Palestine contacted the Council for Legal Support after President Choi barred the organization from last year's homecoming, despite allowing other political organizations to participate. The university says that it will defend its decision in any lawsuit that is filed. MU holds that the group was denied to ensure the safety of participants and spectators. I'm Amina Jenkins, KBIA News, Columbia.